Hello everyone, I'm Patrick, your brand ambassador for Caofen electric motorcycles. We are in Chongqing, China, and I'm going to take you on a private tour of this gold nugget of a factory. Only cool people invited, which means you. You ready to go? Let's go. This machine here is the Panasonic EJM7D, and it is responsible for automatically producing the circuit boards for the controller. It automatically drops in the resistors and the capacitors and inductors. It helps increase quality and increase efficiency. It's really a cool machine. This machine here is responsible for welding the hand-inserted components. It does it efficiently and it does it accurately. This is the Ursa EcoSelect 2, and it can handle just about any job in this factory. It's pretty cool. This machine here is responsible for the actual coating of the circuit board. What they do is they take this paste, pour it on the top, put the circuit boards there, and this paste actually helps the boards itself dissipate the heat, keeping it cooler, running more efficiently. It's really a cool little machine. This is the aging room where they actually test the components and the controller. They can increase the pressure, they can lower the pressure, they can also increase the temperature and lower the temperature to make sure that the product's life expectancy is to the factory specifications. It's a really hot room in there. Here, they perform the vehicle simulation test. High power, high speed. They want to make sure before this thing leaves the factory that it's up to factory specifications. This machine here winds copper into coils, which is eventually placed into motorcycle motors. It's a pretty cool little machine. It's really quiet. In order to produce high quality products, Caofen integrated the German apprentice system. Here you have a master, and here you have an apprentice learning a new trade here in the factory. This machine here tests the Caofen engine for defects and make sure that it's running efficiently.
这个我们仪器正常，今天任务已经完成。
好啊 Good.
这个的话，我们就测试电阻、电感。
好啊。 This machine here simulates working conditions like max power, max speed. It makes sure when these engines leave the factory that they meet the specifications of the factory. Let's go check out the data. And here we are analyzing the data that's already coming in. This is the assembly line where certified technicians put your motorcycle together. It's not a bunch of robots. This is a boutique factory building high quality products. Put it right here. Yeah, that's good. This is the final assembly room where I am surrounded by these beautiful works of art. From here, they pack them and ship them to a dealership near you. I think this one has your name on it.